Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy guide on how to install Bonelab Fusion. As you can see, I am using a Shadow Virtual Desktop PC, but this is because my PC is getting worked on and I need to use this virtual machine. But as you can see, we have Bonelab and a couple other games installed. The only game you need right now is Bonelab, but you will need Steam. And this is not an Oculus tutorial, so if you want to learn how to do it for the Oculus app, go do that for the Oculus app. But as you can see, I have everything here. So you're going to need Bonelab installed. But the first thing I like to do is open up Steam here. Go to Library here. Then you're going to want to find Bonelab. I thought I favorited it, but whatever. So you're gonna find Bonelab, then you go to Manage, then you're gonna go to, actually no, not Manage. You're gonna go Properties here. Then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go to Betas here. Then when you're gonna change this, you're gonna change it to Public Beta Testing Fixes. Don't do that. Don't do that. So you're gonna do this. Now it should automatically start updating. Or you might need to click update. But, and then it'll start updating. It might take a minute to actually process, but then it will start updating your game. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the Melon Loader wiki. I will probably leave the link in the description, but if I don't, you're going to go just to a new tab and do Melon Loader. Here it is. So then you're going to go to the Melon Loader wiki here. So I already have a tab open, so I'll just close that up. But I just go here, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to need to install one of these. So you're going to need to use .NET Framework, but usually it'll install for some of your games. So I don't need to install it, I already have it. But you would just click on it, it would download, and it would appear up here as the Melon Loader 64 zip. Then you're going to want to install the, we are also going to need to do .NET 6.0. I actually don't know if I need that. You're going to want to go to, so as you can see here, it says the .NET Desktop Runtime. So you're going to go here, the .NET Desktop Runtime. So I think you do times 64, or just 64, but I sometimes say that. You're going to open it. Accidentally opened up too. But you're going to just click install here. Then you might not be able to see that, but then you're going to click yes. Then it should install. Might have it, and I might not. I actually forgot. But, okay. And then it'll install. So now you can just close that. And now what you're going to need to do is you're going to go here, scroll down, then click Melon Loader 64. Actually. Or click this. I think you should do 64 though, just in case. As you can see, I actually already have it here, but I'll already open up the existing file. You actually don't need WinZip, but you're gonna go up here and then click extract all. Then put it wherever you want it to be. I just do it in downloads. You're gonna click next. Might take a minute to extract it. You can also make sure that Bonelab is not updated. So I think it is here. So now as you can see, it updated and it shows Bonelab public beta. And you know what? Because wait, do I have it? No, I'll just do add favorites. There we go. And as you can see, it says Bonelab public beta right there. But now it is extracted. I think it is. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it is extracted. You can close the one that isn't extracted. But then you're going to open up this. Then you're going to go... Wait. No, you're not going to do that. So take back what I just said. Don't install these. Install that. So, so then you're going to do melon loader installer.exe. And then you are here. So now you're going to have this. And then what you're going to want to do, don't do latest. Your game will not work if you do latest. I think it's 5.7. And then you're gonna go up here and do select. It won't work for some reason, but you're gonna want to go to your Bonelab page. Gonna go here, manage, browse local files. Then you're gonna want to just take this. Then do Control C. Then close that out. Minimize that. Then you're gonna want to go up here, backspace it, then do Control V, enter, and you should be there. So now you're gonna want to click Bonelab Steam Windows 64. Click OK, I think. Open. And now that you're here, it should have your directory there. And just to make sure, actually no, I think it's fine. But then you're just gonna do install. Then it should say install was successful. Click OK. So now you have Melon Loader in your Bonelab thing. Now what you're going to want to do is open this up, and as you can do there, then click on that and then delete that. Then do Control V, then enter. Then you should be here where Bonelab is. And as you can see, mods and plugins are right here. And that's good. That means your Melon Loader was successful in installing. Boneworks is harder to do, but this is Bonelab, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to search up Bonelib. Then you're going to go, don't do GitHub. Apparently it's getting hijacked, I think. I don't know. Bing News is terrible. But you're going to want to go to the Thunderstore one. I might leave that in the description too. But now what you're going to want to do is you're going to do... Yeah, it says newer versions of it won't work. You're going to want 5.7. So I was right. Then what you're going to want to do is manual download. You don't need to do anything else yet. But then you're going to want to search Bonelab Ragdoll mod. Then you click the Thunderstore one. Then it should be Ragdoll Player by Lakatraz. And then you're going to do manual download too. Then the last mod, of course, we're going to need Bonelab Fusion. Don't just do Bonelab Fusion, do Bonelab Fusion Thunderstore. Because if you just do Bonelab Fusion, only the tutorials will probably pop up. But then you're going to click the first thing, then you're going to do manual download. And as you can see, you have all of these here. You can go ahead, just close that tab. You actually can close your web browser too. But you're going to want to right click, then you're going to want to click File Explorer so another thing pops up with your downloads. So you're going to go to Downloads. First of all, going to do Bonelab first. Then you're going to do the extracting thing. And then it should have extracted. Then what you're going to want to do, take this. You're going to want to do that. Then drag it over. Wait, did it wrong. You're going to need to... there. So now you're going to want to drag those two by the mods and plugins, then they should automatically go into where they're supposed to go. So now you're going to go here, you're going to go to Downloads, then you're going to want to do Ragdoll Player, Extract All, Extract. Now that one is just mods, so we can actually close out these two. But you're going to want to drag down here. you're gonna wanna do that. Drag it here. Move to Bonelab, and it should put it in your mods folder. Now you can just close that up. Then go here, go to File Explorer. Then you're gonna want to finally do Fusion. So do this, extract all, extract. Then what you're going to want to do is I'm going to close this out, but now we can go ahead and highlight these two. Then you're going to go here, then drag it in as you did, and it should put them in their designated places. And as you can see, they are there, and they are there. So now we can go ahead and close those things. Make sure everything is good where it says Bonelab Public Beta. Then you're going to want to click play. This command prompt should come up, and then it should do online mode. Fusion Updater is online, and it's already up to date. Then it's going to use the start screen theme. Then it's going to launch Bonelab. So I'm going to go on and hop on my headset and then show you what Bonelab can do.
Okay, so now you are in Bonelab, and here you go. You have your machines all working. These things should be here, and from the ammo that's collected, you can put it in here and get gotcha capsules. But most importantly, Fusion is working. And I'm gonna get some gotcha capsules here. Just turn it. Now this machine is just part of the public beta, so if you ever want to take out Bonelab Fusion, you can do that. I'm just gonna unlock some of these things. I may do a mods tutorial just for mods later on, but as you can see, we have everything working, and it's all working. So as you can see, we can go here. I'm gonna get a achievement. Go there, and then you get discover the secret in the information box. District. You can go over here. I barely have any, but yeah. This was the tutorial on Bonelab Fusion, and to launch Bonelab Fusion, go to Preferences here, then click Bone menu. And what you're gonna do is Bonelab Fusion, matchmaking for public lobbies. Go to public lobbies, click refresh. It might give you a little bit of lag sometimes when loading up some of these. As you can see, it doesn't really work, but you can click join server. And then it will put you in to join the server.